Hi guys, I see in the chat there wondering how I actually enter the market or what I start looking for. Tomorrow we'll make videos on all those things for you, but just quickly in 2 minutes, let me just give you a quick run through. Remember the gold I told you about we bought down here and we played it up and then, okay, so what I'm looking for, this is a 4 hour. The main thing I look for is impulses in 5 waves, and it's always followed by a correction. So I've got my 5 waves impulse, and there's my 3 waves correction, but then it dragged it out and made another 3 waves correction. That's why I'm saying be careful after the first three, you should go, but if it doesn't, you could expect more. All right. So that's what happened there. So that's a double correction, really wasting time. Then I had a nice, not that strong, but impulsive 5 waves. And what I look for now, I look for a correction. So it made us a 1, 2, 3. Oh, let me just zoom in a bit. It's a bit small. Okay, so this gave us a nice 1, 2, 3, and then it went sideways, and that gave us that. So it actually looked like an A, B in the middle, and then a C. And then it decided to do one more dip to take out everyone else's stops, and that's where it turns up. So after this correction, which is actually a WXY, we had another impulse. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all those going up. What I do is I look for, let me go 1 hour, show you where and why I entered it. Okay, so the blue arrows, I first look at my impulses, I look for my correction, and now this I believe is the last impulse for now. So now I'm thinking we are at or nearing a top. So I'm looking at the patterns and the structures it's doing. So when I think it's running out of steam, as you can see, it was very nice impulsive, very strong shoot, but then it just started to slow down. So it's actually making an ending diagonal. So this would have been wave all the 1, 2, and then a 3, 4, and then this last one, sorry, would have been a 5. So it's and 5 as mini 5s inside it. So you've got a 3-way structure, and this is how it just worked its way up, made a new high, very slightly. This is where breakout traders get wrecked. They buy the breakout thinking it's still going, and then it turns around. So careful of that situation. Okay, so I'm looking for this, but what is my clue? Do I just sell here at the top, or do I sell here? Do I sell here? That's just taking chances. So you wait for your first impulse. Let me just zoom in a bit. The first impulse of reversal was this strong, small 5 waves down. That's my wave 1. Okay, so I had my chart finishing off the top. I had a strong move down. Now, this is when you start looking for 3-wave corrections to give you a wave 2. Now, this could have been an A, a B, and a C. So when it got here, I had to make a decision. Is this still bullish and it goes up again for one more leg, or was it finished? So luckily I didn't close it there and I held on. So I got in here on if you got to 618 retracement, it actually went further. I think 786 on this in this situation. But then it slowed down and it showed me it's not going to carry on. So I actually entered my short position right there. Okay, perfect entry. And so basically I had a 1, a 2, and now I was building a mini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside there, which is your 3, and then a 4, and then a 5. Now this is where I bought again. Okay, I did get out of my sell position a bit early, so I didn't bank as much as I could have. And now remember I took a picture of this, so I'm waiting for this to play out. It's actually getting very sideways, so I should really consider getting out of this trade with a very, very small profit, because it doesn't look like it's very impulsive to A, B, and a C, which I'm hoping for move up to 1815 on gold, but slowing down quite a lot now. So I might do one more dip before it actually does the bigger correction. Then I have to just look and count these waves properly. All right, so the main thing I'm looking for, guys, get to the top. Always at extreme tops, extreme lows, you look for some sort of reversal, and that is your impulse wave like that. After that, you look for pullbacks, and that's a pullback is what you want to play, because then you can play the big wave 3, and that's the wave 3 you want to play. Wave 4 over here, like I'm doing now, is going to mess with your mind. You're just going to lose money. So always look for the highs and lows, impulse, correction, get in there, stop above that. If you lose, guys, that's a very small loss compared to a potential big win. If I was taken out here, I would look for the next high pattern top and wait for next impulse, correction, and then you play that again. Okay, so that is the safest way to trade. Yes, I'm very guilty of catching tops where I can, but 8 out of 10 times, guys, it doesn't work out. So you do lose money. So you must try and stop do that. Be disciplined. Wait for impulse so you get your confirmation, a nice correction. It must be a nice correction, and then it'll be confirmation. Okay, so that's the way I do it. That's the way you should be doing it. But yeah, I'll make some more videos, guys, on the weekend and start sharing for you guys.